They gave me a fucking poster. Check this out. This is dope.
Yeah, dude.
This is dope. Oh shit. It's fucking
This
big.
is Xander's first Pokemon. This is his first
fucking massive
modern Pokemon experience.
All right.
This is one of the last sets that released in 2025.
This was like one at Black and White 2. It was like one of the 4 actual Pokemon games that I played. And it was the best one. Fuck, Nate. I just dropped 2 of them, got down the side of your...
Uh-oh.
Oh, fuck.
Careful. We got Frigibox. Looks like he's in Willy Wonka's chocolate factory. Then we got Sudowoodo.
Jesus, fuck. I got these 3 cards
Promos.
from the front of the box.
Promo.
Great time.
You can get God packs from these sets too, so we could hit one. We don't know. Unlikely, but could be likely. God could bless us.
Bands, baby.
Sudowoodo.
Bands.
All right. So these are my singles I picked up. Right here. $60. Was $71. Talked it down because the box was $40 and I was trying to make it like $100 even. I bought a box too, even though I typically buy all my stuff that I rip from Walmart or somewhere. I can get it cheaper, but
I pressured him into it.
$40 isn't terrible.
I pressured him into it.
And promo cards, so we're doing it.
We're doing it.
We're doing it, bud. I got us a plastic bag for all this garbage. Oshawott, Tepig, and Snivy up in this motherfucker.
I was an
Dude,
Oshawott kid.
and this isn't just Black Bolt. This is Black Bolt and White Flare. So we have the chance. We have
to get both the exclusives.
Yeah.
That's dope.
All right. You want to start out with White Flare?
Let's do it.
All right. The way I open my packs, I don't know about you, but I just straighten the back out. I put my finger in the middle right at the top, and then it pulls that glue part, and you can open it nicely.
What?
And then
I'm just gonna fucking...
and then back card, code card, I always throw them down. 'Cause I don't
How the
need 'em.
fuck did you do that?
And then back card to the front is a card trick. So I'll wait. Oh my god, I got a hollow.
This is fucking stupid.
You're using your nails. Hold on, bro. I got you. I can just direct you.
I got it. I got it.
Okay.
We're in.
Okay. I got a fucking hollow water energy. That's awesome.
Don't you take the front to put them in the back or some shit right now? You don't do that. We don't do that anymore.
So just put the back of your set up. Don't do that.
I don't wait. What?
So put the back of your set up so you can't see your cards.
Okay.
And then you take your code card. We don't use that.
Fuck
and then
that.
for these new sets, you just put one card in front.
All right,
And
bet.
that's your energy. So, water energy. You got what?
Basic.
Dark energy.
Basic
What is
energy.
it? Dark energy. Yeah, dark type.
Basic dark energy.
Bang. Okay. I got Oshawott.
Deerling.
Trubbish. Herdier.
Raj and Rolla.
We gotta be careful.
Sorry.
Packs.
Lampent.
I'm teaching bro Pokemon etiquette. Pignite.
Ducklet.
Archon.
Sawsbuck.
Ferrothorn.
I see something. Stoutland.
Garbodor.
Ferrothorn.
Zwellis. Ignition energy, bro.
I got this lily pup, and it's kind of shiny. Look at that. That's pretty dope.
Tornadus.
That's
I
actually
was just
fucking
looking
sick.
at him, bro. Oh, that's a Pokeball. That's nice. That's a good card. That's a cute.
I got a full art Zoroark.
What, bro? Let me see
Yeah,
that.
I got a full art fucking Zoroark, dude.
Nice, dude. I think that's an illustration rare.
And then I got Embor.
Nice card, bro. Dude.
Those are actually sick as fuck.
Yeah. We might have to go in and get sleeves. We'll just set this
For
up
real?
here, eh? Yeah.
That's like something to be.
Yeah.
That's dope.
Yeah, that's something to collect, bro.
Fuck yeah, dude.
That's something
First pack.
That's something you set in the binder, and it's maybe 10, 15, 20 bucks now, but...
My luck is turning around. My luck is turning around.
All right. That was white FLAIR. Second white FLAIR pack going in.
Let's go, baby.
Code card.
Good things, good things, good things.
Energy to the front. We'll wait for Xander to get his pack opened up.
Hey.
Oh, that's a cool Ember
We're
orb.
improving. I also think so.
That's dope.
Don't mind me. Fuck. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Still learning. We're still getting, you know.
Oh, another hollow energy, bro. Fire.
Dude. I don't know what symbol that is, but
That's psychic.
you got psychic energy, dude.
I got fire, bro.
Alright.
Fire.
Fuck.
Minfu.
I got DeWatt.
Ducklet.
Swaloon.
Swaddle.
Zora.
Stinky fish. Liebird.
Herdier. I think that's how the fuck you say that.
Selgor. Leopard.
We got Chiren. Look at that.
Gigalith.
Charon.
Zoroark.
Southland.
Regular rare.
I had this one in the game.
Nice.
Archon.
Urchin.
That's a cool Zebstrika. That's a really cool Zebstrika, and it
Ooh,
feels
Pokeball.
different.
Pokeball.
It feels different as well. It's a dope one.
You got 2 Pokeballs, bro. Where's your other Pokeball? Oh, it's up here, ain't it?
It's up there somewhere. Yeah, it's we're good, dude. We got good things going on. Okay.
All right. So,
All right.
he's got the pull. I've got nothing yet.
Dude, I'm
Black Bolt now. Black
Black
Bolt. Let's get that
Bolt,
Zekrom.
baby.
Let's get that Zekrom. Or a God Pack.
I'm really excited about this. These are the ones I was real excited about. Okay, take the code card off. Take the one from the bottom and put it on the fucking top.
Fight energy. Fight.
What?
Fighting energy.
Ah,
You took one from the front and put it in the back.
that's what I did. Lightning energy.
Fight. Clink. Palpitoad.
We got Fungus,
Fracture.
Cubchoo,
Venipede.
Tranquil,
Krusty Krab, dude.
Cryogonal,
Bisharp.
Golurk,
Amoongus.
an energy coin.
Pansage.
Carablast,
Darumaka. Haxorus.
Crustle,
Another
Beartic.
Another pack.
Look at that, and I got a Beartic. It's not bad.
Oh, that's cool.
And then this fucking Minico thing. That's dog shit. Fuck that. That was bad.
Damn.
That
All
was
right.
bad.
Last pack magic for us, guys. Wish us luck.
Just make it happen. I just want I want a single EX. That's all I want. Something cool looking, right? Take that
Steel. Steel energy.
I got another
Hollow.
hollow electric energy.
Snivy. Muna.
Temple,
Dwebble.
a Sandile,
Panpour.
fuck,
Baheen.
Maractus,
Professor's Reese Shart.
Drillbur,
Cryogle.
Golurk,
Clink. Electric.
Throw,
Rick. Oh, okay. I got something.
Simpor.
Bad.
Whoa, what the fuck is that?
It's a little double rare, bro.
That's dope.
That is cool. Let's go. We both got hits, bro.
Pin Ward.
Oh, you got another Pokeball. Third Pokeball, bro.
Oh, I got, is that, no, that's not one right there. Solosis.
Kobalan.
Cobalon.
Kobalan or whatever.
Kumbaya. Alright, that wasn't bad.
Not bad. This is the hits.
I don't know where my hits are. Hold
Fire.
On. 1, 2.
Oh shit, I'm dropping cards.
Oh, things are bad. Things are happening.
These are safe for that.
I got this one.
I'd be much more pumped to opening packs if I put them on video. Had people to open them.
Dude, this is dope. Let's do this more.
Yeah, dude. We could go fucking spot out the
Where did that 4 go?
local. I set them back there.
Mine.
Yeah. Right there. Where?
Oh, they're there?
Yeah, they're sitting back there so they don't get fudged up.
This is my.
Dude, and I got a hollow of your guy.
This is the fucking haul, you guys. Sorry about that. This is the fucking haul.
Careful.
Sorry, one of them's still upside down.
Careful the condition.
Yeah.
We're gonna grade them.
Alright.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, you guys.
We had fun doing some degenerate activities.
This is the first one of these. There may be more.
There will be.
There will most likely be more.
Even if he's not obsessed with Pokemon, I am. And it's an addiction.
I'm gonna go see how much these are worth
And try to go get more.
and try to go get more.